Children's House is a public institution in Slovenia that works in the field of child-friendly justice, established on the Barnahus model. One of our main tasks is to gather evidence using forensic interview hearings when children up to age of 18 years needs to testify in the court. Experts conducting forensic interview have to be properly trained for this task. Up till now, we have used technology of Avatar, which was using pre-programmed sequences limited to a fixed set of actions. For this reason, a lot of non-verbal communication could not be conveyed. By using unreal meta-human technology, we are able to produce high-fidelity simulation of interviews with children. And this technology enables us not only to train for forensic interview, but also ensures training for different professionals which are working with children on a daily basis.